Hi guys, and welcome to today's video. So I've got my first autumn tutorial for you. So I'm going to be showing you how to do this glitter and stamped design using Magpie beauty products and Dixie plates. So if you want to find out how I created this, then just stay tuned. So firstly, I'm going to start off with Magpie Gel Colour in Ruby Murray, and this is one of the new fall collection gel colours, and it's this really pretty sort of shimmery darker red colour. I'm just going to apply some Magpie Gel Colour Don't Be Tacky onto the nails that I'm going to stamp my images onto. And of course, if you know about Don't Be Tacky, you'll know that it sort of has this dimple effect when you first apply it. So obviously whilst I'm doing things onto the pinky and index finger, that's going to all settle before I cure it. So I'm going to get two Magpie glitters today. So I've got Jenna and I've got Jessica. So Jenna is sort of a deeper red holographic, sort of great autumn colour, and then Jessica is obviously the orange holographic, and I just thought they went really well together, but they also went really well with the base. Just going to pour some Jenna out, and I'm going to get my Magpie applicator brush. So, and I just want to apply this onto the sort of cuticle area. I mean, to be fair, that looks pretty phenomenal already. So I'm just going to bring it down sort of halfway, letting the glitter kind of fall a little bit. And I'm going to do the same on the index finger as well. Just letting the glitter kind of fall. And I'm just going to pour some Jessica into the lid and apply it to the tip and bring it upwards like that, and then the same for the index, making sure to kind of go over the other colour a little bit just to make sure that it's all covered. So then just with my clean applicator brush, I'm just going to brush up and down this nail just very lightly, just a couple of times, just to rub and burnish that glitter in gently. And then I'm going to get my Magpie duster brush and just brush off any excess, especially from underneath the free edge. So those two nails are now done. Top coat these nails twice using the Let It Shine top coat, and obviously curing in between whilst this Don't Be Tacky layer is also curing. So then once those top coats have been fully cured, I'm going to use the Magpie Gel Colour Cleanser just on those two glitter nails that are completely finished. So, and just with the lint-free wipe, I'm just going to wipe over those nails just to remove that tacky layer. So the glitter nails are done and they look amazing. Look at that. Oh, love it. So now I'm going to get on to stamping on the middle and the ring finger, and I'm going to be using Dixie Plates Autumn 02 for this. So the first one that I'm going to do is do this pumpkin up here, and I'm going to use Hit the Bottle in Orange You Excited, Hit the Bottle in Shazam Yellow, which is quite a greeny yellow, but I thought it would be quite nice and bright for the pumpkin. Hit the Bottle in As Black as Night, and then also Hit the Bottle in Spun Gold. Also going to use my Dixie Plates Triple D, so this is the Dixie Diamond Duo Stamper, and I'm going to use the flatter head here. And obviously I've got my Dixie Plates scraper as well. So first of all, I'm gonna stamp this part of the pumpkin. So then next I'm gonna stamp the leaves. And then obviously I'm going to stamp the outline. So, and then obviously I've just got a little bit of the black image down the bottom there. I'm just going to use my cotton pad that's got a little bit of acetone on it just to get that off. But how cool does that pumpkin look? So, and then for the ring finger, all I want to do is just add some leaves. So I'm just going to use this one and this one here with the gold, and then obviously do the outlines in black. So now I'm just going to use the Magpie Gel Colour Let It Shine top coat, and I'm just going to do 2 top coats of this again, curing in between each layer just to seal in that stamping design. So, and again, once those have been fully cured, I'm just going to use the Magpie Gel Colour Cleanser just to wipe off that tacky layer. So, and there you have a gorgeous autumn glitter and stamped design. So there's a lot going on this, but it's all pretty. I especially love the sort of 2 glitter nails. They are phenomenal. But I also really like the stamping as well with the Ruby Murray colour underneath. It's got a bit of like shimmer and stuff to it. So I'll leave all the links down below for where you can get all these products from. Thanks for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.